Simple ingredients, honest flavors and ghar jaisi feeling. That's the beauty of Aloo Gobhi. Making this in Philips OneChef is really easy. Press the power button, then stir fry mode followed by veg preset. Today we'll use the non-stick cooking pot for this. Add mustard oil to the cooking pot. To the hot oil, add jeera, pinch of ajwain, pinch of hing, green chilies, ginger, cauliflower florets, potato cubes, turmeric powder, salt to taste, and saute for 5 minutes. Add water, give it a good mix, cover it with a special glass lid and let it cook for the remaining preset 12 minutes. Finish the sabji with freshly chopped coriander and mix. Serve hot with rotis or paratha. देखा, रोज का खाना बनाना भी super simple and quick in Philips OneChef. It's all you need.